G'day guys, Luke here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video guys, we got 3 new additions to the family. You'll see 2 of them in a moment. Well, before we get into that, we do have a 4th one. I've already shown you guys him. If you watched my last Reptile Room video, you would have seen him. Or if you follow me on Instagram, you will also seen him a couple of days ago, or whenever you seen this video. But yeah, I've already got the first 2 animals out. So I put them on my bed. So yes, I've got a pair of children's pythons, or spider pythons, whatever we want to call them. This one's the boy. His name is Caesar. Now I've got these 2 off a mate of mine, who was downsizing, or pretty much downsizing his collection. And then he's got his girl here, or the girl here is Erin. She's a beautiful girl. Doesn't have a nasty bone in her body, very friendly. While Caesar here, he's a biter. He's trying to bite me a lot lately. So these guys have been in quarantine for about, I'll be honest, a long time. I just haven't shown you guys. At the moment, I've got them in the old fish tank. I used to have them in the proper enclosure, but that is gone now because I was a bit worried about basically these 2 health. Being a big enclosure, the heating wasn't too nice. Erin did get sick, but she's all good now. But yeah, so hopefully after you see this video, guys, I've gotten them a new enclosure. I'll probably either want to say it on Instagram, or either that, or you see it in the next reptile room. So that's Erin and Caesar, my 2 new spider pythons, or children pythons, whatever you want to call them. I'll put them back, put the lid back on top, and then we're going to see the other animal you haven't seen yet. Yeah, I'll also show the other new one that you guys have already seen, or some of you may have already seen. But yeah, we'll be back in a moment, guys. If you guys haven't seen Suri already, you guys are about to see her, or it, he, I don't know if it's male or female. But there he is. So Suri's a sand swimmer. Obviously, he's probably doubled in size since I've had this lizard now. But yeah, he's doing well. He's just smashing food, loves his crickets. Nice deep substrate for him to kind of burrow his way into. And he hasn't the idea every time I open this lid up, more likely he's going to get food. I just want to check on something on. I did see he's got a bit of stuck shit on his toe, so I might get that off him before we continue this video. And then we're going to see the other animal that is new to the family, and then we'll wrap it up from there. Okay guys, so the last addition to the family that I want to show you is Aurelia. So Aurelia here is a little diamond python. Now with Aurelia, she's just not a normal diamond python, guys. She's actually, and we're putting the light here, a high yellow diamond python. She's a beautiful snake. Now I've had her for a couple of weeks now, I'll be honest. She's doing very well. She took her first mouse off me when you guys have seen this video on Tuesday. So she did very well. Like, she smashed that, so I've got to get her bigger food soon. Now I don't know if Aurelia here is a male or female, but I just think it's a she. But yeah, she's a beautiful snake. Finally got myself a diamond python. It's funny, my dad actually mentioned it a few weeks ago. He goes, I'm surprised you haven't got a diamond python yet. Then I saw her available, then I'm like, oh, I'm going to get her. And then I came home with her, and Dad said, that didn't mean you should get one. So yeah, oh well, finally got a diamond python. I kind of guess better late than never getting one of these guys. Been kind of thinking about it for about 4 or 5 years now, getting one, but yeah. Awesome, so that's already, guys, and that's the 3 new additions by Suri, if you haven't seen Suri already. So that's the 3 new additions, guys. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in another video.